Hey, Shalom. I ain't gonna say too much. I'm gonna let this video speak, and I'm gonna pull a script. But yeah, hey, be on high alert, man. The Lord is not playing. As you can see, emergency alert. U.S. nuclear forces on high alert for ballistic missiles. This thing is a lot of things going on above your head while you sleep at night. The prophecies are unfolding.
Prepper, it is Tuesday, November 21st, 2023, and I have another emergency alert to share with you guys. Right now it is 7:14 p.m. Eastern Time here in the United States, and we have some major breaking news coming in from the Middle East. So apparently Israel has stationed 100,000 troops on the border with Lebanon. This was reported by the Wall Street Journal today. And we currently have U.S. nuclear forces on high alert. What you're looking at here is a flight tracker showing 2 U.S. nuclear bombers and 2 U.S. Nuclear War Command and Control planes up in the air over the United States. So this is pretty unusual, especially for a holiday week. So over North Dakota right now, we have 2 B-52s in the air, plus an RQ-4 Global Hawk. And then down in California and Nevada, we have 2 U.S. Nuclear War Command and Control planes. So our nuclear forces are definitely on high alert. Here's a closer look at the B-52s flying over Montana and North Dakota. 2 of them up in the air right now. And then here we have the Nuclear War Command and Control planes over the Southwest. And we have some breaking news coming in from
the Bay Area, so
Syria. So U.S.
Put this on pause. Hey, things are happening on your turkey week. While you out eating turkey, things are happening, man. I mean, this is major. This is major. As a thief in the night. This is Joel 3, verse 9. Proclaim ye this among the Gentiles. Prepare war. Everybody's preparing. I mean, this thing is about to hit. You have not entered the climax of this war yet. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come up. Beat your plowshares into swords and your plunging hoods into spears. Let the weak say, I am strong. And they all standing up against America right now. Assemble yourselves and come, all you heathen, and gather yourselves together round about. Thither cause thy mighty ones to come down, which are the angels, and they're here, the UFOs. Let the heathen be awakened and come up to the valley of Jehoshaphat, which is Yahweh Shaphat, meaning the Lord judges. For there will I judge all the heathen round about. And that valley of Jehoshaphat is located down there in the Middle East. What we watching, keep your eyes on the east. Shalom.